go sing, na na, oh yeah.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I laid this 4x4 closure unit. This unit was sent to me by Megalook Hair, your glory, and all the information for this wig will be in the description bar down below. So I'm going to be showing you how I laid this unit without bleaching the knot or tinting this unit with any sort of tinting spray. So if you are interested to see how I did that, well, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it, and to comment down in the comment section bar down below. So with no further ado, let's jump right into this video. So this is the cute little box the hair came in. It's from Megalook Hair Company, your hair, your glory, and all of their social media platforms is on the side of the box. So in this box, the hair came in a Ziploc bag, and it's a 10-inch ombre wig. I also got some eyelashes, clip, comb, and I also got 2 sets of stocking cap, a pair of black one and a pair of brown one. And inside of the Ziploc bag, the hair came protected with a hairnet over it, and this is a 4x4 closure wig. And the cup construction of this wig, it came with elastic bands, 1 clip to the back, and adjustable straps, and it's a 4x4 wig, and I fell in love with the color. I love the blonde color. So I'm going to be taking my black opal foundation. I'm not bleaching the knots, neither am I tinting it with any sort of tinting spray. I'm just using my foundation to blend into the knots, and I'm just blow drying that after I finish with that. And as you can see, it looks really realistic. I am in love, and this hair came pre-plucked. So I'm going in with my blast freeze spray, and I am just applying that on this unit. So after I finish that, I'm going to cut off the lace, and I am just going to go ahead and take a razor blade to layer some baby hair to the front portion of this unit. So that is what I'm working on now. So I'm going in with my Got2b ultra glued, and I'm just going to lay my baby hair to the front portion of this unit. So I'm just layering the baby hair in the direction in which I want them to go. So I'm going back in with a little bit more freeze spray, and I'm taking my blow dryer to make sure that the lace is glued to my head. So I'm going ahead to tie down my hair for like 30 minutes so the glue would dry properly. Natural looking, just using the blast freeze spray, and that was it. So until next time, God bless.